Are you on the lookout for an affordable 5G smartphone that offers impressive features without breaking the bank? Samsung's Galaxy A16 5G might just be the answer you've been searching for. Originally priced at just 199.99 US dollars, this phone has already been a great budget-friendly option in the 5G category, and now there's an even better deal available. Both Amazon and Best Buy are offering a straightforward 25 US dollar discount, lowering the price to just 174.99 US dollars. The best part, no need for trade-ins, carrier plans, or any other strings attached. It's a simple price drop, making it an exceptional deal if you've been waiting for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone. While a 25 US dollar discount might seem small compared to the massive price cuts you see on flagship devices, it makes a noticeable difference when applied to a phone that was already competitively priced. With this reduction, the Galaxy S16 5G becomes even more attractive as one of the top budget 5G options available today. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S16 5G is its display. The phone boasts a large 6.7-inch super active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. This display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming, or browsing social media. At this price point, it's rare to find such a high-quality screen, especially when many budget phones still use liquid crystal displays. The super active matrix organic light emitting diode display gives this phone a noticeable edge, making content more enjoyable to view. The Galaxy S16 5G also stands out in terms of design. It features a clean and minimalist look that appeals to those who prefer a simple yet modern aesthetic. Available in two color options, blue, black, and light gray, the phone is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to carry around. Its straightforward design doesn't compromise on style, offering a sleek appearance that feels premium without the high price tag. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy A16 5G excels. Equipped with a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, this phone can easily last a full day or even more on a single charge. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, a phone is built to keep up with your daily activities. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports 25-watt fast charging, ensuring that even a short charge can get you several hours of use, much faster than the slow charging speeds found on many budget phones. For those who enjoy taking photos, the Galaxy S16 5G offers a solid 50-megapixel primary rear camera. While it may not feature the advanced artificial intelligence-based camera features of Samsung's high-end models, it still captures clear and detailed photos, especially in good lighting. Whether you're snapping pictures of family gatherings, food, or moments during your travels, the camera delivers impressive results for a budget device. This phone is perfect for casual users who want a reliable camera without needing all the bells and whistles found in premium models. Under the hood, the Galaxy S16 5G is powered by a capable processor that handles everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the internet using social media apps or watching videos, the phone runs smoothly without any major slowdowns. While it may not be ideal for demanding gaming or intensive multitasking, it performs well for daily use. One of the most appealing aspects of this phone is Samsung's commitment to long-term software support. The company promises 6 years of software updates, ensuring that the Galaxy A16 5G remains secure and optimized long after many other budget phones have stopped receiving updates. If you're looking for an affordable 5G smartphone that offers an impressive display, excellent battery life, and reliable software updates, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is an excellent choice, especially at its current discounted price. With its solid performance and long-term support, this device offers great value for money. If you've been considering an upgrade but don't want to spend a fortune, now is the perfect time to grab this deal before it's gone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest smartphone deals and reviews.